Hi everyone. Legal Plus and L2 Icon, the organizers of this Constructional Claims ADR Conference 2021 that is going to be held on the 23rd of July. Look forward to you all joining us. I am very sure this conference will benefit those construction companies and engineering companies who I am sure will either be suing or subject to being sued by your counterparts in the light of the existing pandemic. After the pandemic, there will be lots of claims, cross-claims being filed, and to know your rights, this is where you want to be, i.e. this particular conference. So I look forward to seeing you all there, and please enjoy the conference.
Yes, Tun, it is our honor to collaborate with Legal Plus in organizing this conference. This conference is the first of its kind in the construction and ADR industries. It is a 12-hour marathon virtual event running from 9 o'clock in the morning to 9 o'clock in the evening Malaysia time. And because it is held online, the conference is able to reach a much wider crowd.
Indeed, Wailun, indeed. Because it's held online, we are able to assemble a line of distinguished panelists, not only from Malaysia, but also from abroad. Do you know that the moderators and speakers come from 9 jurisdictions, namely Brunei, Singapore, Hong Kong, China, Australia, New Zealand, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, and of course, Malaysia.
Not only that, Tan Sri, the conference is being offered at a very affordable rate, giving great value to the international construction and ADR communities.
Yes, Catherine, I'm sure this will be a very successful conference. Another thing I must mention is the endorsement we receive from our supporting organizations and academic partners, both from Malaysia and abroad. Their endorsement not only helps us to promote the conference, but also plays a big part in helping us to reach out to a wide range of participants.
Yes, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank our sponsors, our conference partners, Thomson Reuters and LexisNexis, our session partners, Plus 3 Consultants, Turner International Malaysia, Opus 2, James Montero, and last but not least, all our premium platform sponsors.
Amazing! This is an event not to be missed. I look forward to seeing everyone there on 23rd of July virtually.
Don't forget to sign up for our conference. We accept digital and manual registrations. We also accept payment in credit card, online bank transfer, and manual bank transfer.
See you there! See you there!
See you.